Fewer homes went under contract with falling inventory, this report. It's Friday, November 14th, 2025. I'm Kimberly Barton, broker owner of Kinetic Realty, Maryland's boutique brokerage. This is the weekly Annapolis Real Estate Report. Inventory fell again this week to 214 units, a decrease of 4% this report, and 37% of those for sale are priced over $1 million. 10 homes are coming soon at a median $607,500 list price. 25 homes went under contract in 26 days and holding at a median $555,000 list price. 17 homes sold for 100% list to sold ratio in 20 days with a median sold price of $849,990. Inventory in Annapolis for rentals remains fairly consistent at 66 for lease at $2,825 median per month. Got questions about your specific circumstances? Give me a call and let's talk. That's a wrap for this week's Annapolis Real Estate Report for Friday, November 14th, 2025. Thanks so much for tuning in. Enjoy your weekend. I'll see you next week. Take care.